Let's talk about ways to express this in Russian. It's often really easy, but there are 1 or 2 points that can cause confusion, so let's start with a few examples. Это ваш чемодан. Это моя книга. Это мое письмо. Это мои книги. Now there's 2 important things to notice here. Это here translates as this is or these are. We're introducing something, pointing these things out. We also see this use of это in the basic question, что это? And in questions like these. Чья это книга? Какая это книга? Second, notice how это has the same form in all of these examples. It's not changing at all. That's because we're not modifying any nouns directly. We're not saying this suitcase, this book, or these books. Instead, we're saying this is or these are. And these are considered complete sentences in Russian. Translations can often be deceptive, but this is a case where it is helpful to consider the English. In the English translations of all of these, we have the verb to be separating это from the noun that we're introducing. You don't see that verb in the Russian because we don't normally express to be in the present tense in Russian, but it is there when we translate into many other languages. Das ist mein Buch, c'est mon livre, c'est chaud malheur, and so on. Now let's look at a different type of word that can also be translated as this. Этот студент говорит по-русски. Эта студентка говорит по-японски. Это письмо очень интересное. Эти книги очень интересные. Let's take note of 2 things. First, этот, это, and эти here mean just this or these, not this is or these are. They are demonstrative pronouns that directly modify a noun. So, like adjectives and other modifiers, they do need to change form. Этот is masculine to agree with студент. Это, feminine, matches студентка. Это, neuter, matches письмо. And эти, plural, agrees with книги. It can be easy to confuse these with the unchanging это that we looked at first. So let's go through some contrasting examples. Это новый паспорт. Этот паспорт новый. Это новая книга. Эта книга новая. Это интересное письмо. Это письмо интересное. Take special care with this pair. The neuter form of the demonstrative that does change, это, happens to look just like the unchanging это, but the meanings are still distinct. Это интересные книги. Эти книги интересные. Summing up, the unchanging это means this is or these are when introducing something or pointing something out, and can make a complete sentence. The demonstrative этот, это, эти does agree with the noun that it modifies for gender, number, and, as you'll see later, for case as well.